present the presentation on the topic of faith. This project work was given by our respected Sir Hiren Guru. In this project work, we have collected the data, organized and analyzed the data in a table, terminology notation and a Venn diagram. In the survey of 15 people, we know that 7 people like iPhone and 3 people like Samsung and 5 like the both. While actively involved in this kind of activities, we understand about SAT and data representation in mathematics and use of mathematics in our daily life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, it's me Cecil Rai from grade 9 of Physics English Secondary School. It's here to give a presentation on the chapter of sales. This project work was given by our respected Sir Hiren Guru. Recently, I did a survey among 15 people of my community, asking about which phone they prefer, either Samsung or iPhone. And I came to learn that 3 of the each people like iPhone and Samsung, while 5 of the people like both, and 3 of the people like neither. By reading the survey, I also learned about the cardinality representation of different states. By breaking a Venn diagram, it was a lot easier for me to understand the concept of states. At the last, I learned about that state is very much important in our daily life. State is used everywhere, while it is in schools, businesses, hospitals, or etc. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good afternoon and welcome to my presentation. I am Angela Papa from grade 10 is presenting in front of you all to present on a short topic on a survey I have conducted before a few days. This was a topic related to sales and I am going to present my project work. I surveyed 15 people, among which 11 of them liked iPhone, 8 of them liked Samsung, and neither of them, no of them were the one who didn't like any of the phones. In conclusion, I got to know that everyone liked every kind of phone, and iPhone has the most number of people who like. There are no more number of people who like iPhone. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, myself Jessica Kumar from grade 10. I'm over here to send over my survey that I conducted just yesterday. And this project is about the people who like iPhone and Samsung. It's related to SAT and based on the survey, among 15 people, 10 of them like iPhone and 7 of them like Samsung. And between them also, three of them prefer both of the iPhone. With this I found out that mathematics cannot only be read in books or calculation. Mathematics is also used in our daily life. With this survey, I practically felt myself that mathematics is also used in our real life. And the mathematics helps us and make the world around us easier and simple to understand. Thank you.
Greetings everyone, I am a student of the Physics English School from standard 10 here to present my presentation on collection of data and survey. I have surveyed 15 people houses in my community about to know about their preferences on their favorite mobile phone. As per the collection of data, I got to know that 9 people love iPhone and 7 people love Samsung. 3 people love both of them and 2 people love neither of them. For the conclusion, math is just not in reading in book or solving the problem. It can be utilized in daily life activities. I have learned about SAT practically and it helps to know about the SAT more easily. So at last, I would like to thank our respected subject teacher, Sir Kiran Lebu, for giving me this golden opportunity to present the presentation in front of you all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, it's Vinita Parajani from grade 10 here to present a short presentation on the topic of collecting and sorting the data. Among the 15 people, I have collected the data. 9 people like the iPhone, 8 people like the Samsung, and 7 people like the both phone, and 4 people like the neither phone. understand that mathematics is not only the book, it is the subject and we can use in our daily life also. I have done the survey and I have understand that collecting is one of the part of our math subject by doing in our daily life. At last, I like to thank our subject teacher Kiran Liku for giving this wonderful opportunity to stand over there. Thank you.
Good afternoon and namaste to everyone. It's me Divya Budatuli from grade 10 each year to present my presentation. This presentation was given by our respected sir Kiran Limbu. It is the presentation about a data collection of people who liked iPhone and Samsung. Now I like to start. In a survey of 15 people, 9 of them liked iPhone and 8 of them liked Samsung. And the people who like both are 3. So it says that iPhone is slightly popular more than Samsung. Most of the people prefer to carry iPhone or Samsung, but mostly people prefer to carry iPhone. For the conclusion, mathematics helps in our daily life. Like it helps to collect the information and learn how the mathematics plays an important role in our life. In our class, we have just learned the theory how to draw the Venn diagram. But yesterday, I have practically done the project and understand math is very essential in our life and it helps in our daily life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Sonakshi Mehta from Standard 10 is here to present my presentation from the chapter 6. As I have surveyed 15 different people about their favorite mobile phones, such as Samsung and iPhone. According to the collection, I have got to know that from 15 people, 14 people likes Samsung and 7 people likes iPhone. And both phones are liked by 6 people. While doing this survey, I also came to know that math is not about just solving the problem. It is also about bringing it into our real practical life, in real life practically. And also it helps us to collect, organize information, data of our daily basis. And at last, I like to thank our subject teacher, Sir Kiran Limbu, for providing me this opportunity. Thank you.